Welcome back to Phrasal Verbs with Lewis. I hope you're happy to be here, I hope you're paying attention, and I hope that you are ready to learn 3 more phrasal verbs. In this case, we're actually learning 3 phrasal verbs beginning with the main verb put. Remember, irregular, so put, put, put. Let's go. Let's not put this explanation off any longer. Ooh, put off. What does it mean, put off? So, if I put something off, I leave it for later. I postpone it. I could say that I had a meeting, but I was going to be late, so I had to put it off. Or I was going to have a party, but because of quarantine, I had to put it off. Very similar to the phrasal verb call off, because call off, cancel, put off, postpone. Remember the P. Exactly. So, another one, our next phrasal verbs is put out, to put out. So we've got off, now we've got out. Ah, there is a fire. I think you can guess what the phrasal verb is. So if there is a fire, you need to put it out. You need to extinguish it. All right? I put out the fire in just under a minute. Thank God. I'm lucky that I did that I put it out in time before it spread. And the last phrasal verb I'd like to explain is put up with. My neighbour, he's always making a lot of noise. He's always shouting, he's screaming, he's listening to music very loud. I cannot put up with him. Or maybe a colleague. My colleagues are very annoying, so I cannot put up with them. I cannot tolerate them. I cannot bear them. I cannot handle them. In Sevilla, the summer, the heat, I cannot put up with it. So, let's recap. We had put off, postpone, put out, extinguish a fire, and put up with a bad situation or an annoying person if you have to tolerate them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to Teachify your life.